Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Ytz7s battery is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for your motorcycle, ATV, or personal watercraft, ensuring that your engine roars to life with every turn of the key and all your electrical accessories function flawlessly, making it a critical investment for uninterrupted adventures and reliable performance on the road or water. Number 5. Mighty Max Battery Ytz7s Motorcycle Battery. Introducing the Mighty Max Ytz7s, a powerful 12-volt, 6-amp-hour battery. It delivers 130 cold cranking amps for reliable starts in any condition. This compact battery measures just 4.50 by 2.81 by 4.21 inches, fitting easily into your motorcycle. The positive terminal is on the right for convenient installation. Engineered with sealed lead acid, SLA, and absorbed glass mat, AGM, technology, it's spill-proof and built to last. Enjoy a high discharge rate and a wide operating temperature range. Mounted in any position you need, it's designed to resist shocks and vibrations. You can count on long-lasting, high performance, whether it's hot or cold outside. This rechargeable battery offers deep discharge recovery and comes with a full 1-year warranty. Ride with confidence knowing you're covered. What we like. This battery offers a high discharge rate and a long service life, making it a reliable choice for consistent power. If you are looking for a maintenance-free option that can handle a wide range of temperatures and vibrations, this is a great pick. It's ideal for riders who need dependable performance without the hassle of upkeep. What people say. The battery is a perfect fit for my motorcycle and provides excellent cranking power. It holds a charge very well and has lasted longer than expected. Number 4. Mighty Max Battery Ytz7s Gel Motorcycle Battery. Introducing the Mighty Max Ytz7s Gel, a 12-volt, 6-amp-hour battery designed for reliable performance. It boasts 130 cold cranking amps for a powerful start. Experience consistent, long-lasting power with our GL technology. It holds its charge longer, making it a superior choice for your needs. This battery performs exceptionally in extreme temperatures. Enjoy solid power delivery, no matter the climate, from summer heat to winter chill. Designed with enhanced safety features, its thick gel paste reduces leak risks and harmful fumes. It's built to resist vibrations and shocks. Mighty Max is a brand known for quality and reliability. Benefit from advanced GL technology for superior discharge, safety, and a longer lifespan. What we like. Experience reliable performance with its slower self-discharge rate, ensuring it holds a charge longer when not in use. This battery excels in extreme temperatures, providing consistent power in both heat and cold. If you need a durable, safer option with enhanced spill protection for demanding environments, this is the one to consider. What people say. The battery has a good lifespan. It is a reliable battery that holds a charge well. Number 3. MMG Lithium-ion Motorcycle Battery Ytz7s CCA 150. Experience exceptional cranking power in a remarkably lightweight design. This battery is significantly lighter than standard alternatives, ensuring a powerful and efficient start every time. Enjoy long-lasting reliability with over 2,000 charging cycles. It holds a charge for up to a year, offering minimal maintenance and consistent power for your needs. This battery is designed with sustainability in mind. It's free from hazardous materials, making it non-explosive, non-combustible, and environmentally friendly. Get an immediate and robust startup with extended discharge cycles. The built-in charge status indicator ensures you're always informed and ready for your next adventure. Trusted by enthusiasts, it seamlessly replaces various models for hassle-free installation. Enjoy the benefits of a battery that fits perfectly in a wide range of applications. What we like. This battery is incredibly lightweight, offering exceptional cranking power in a compact design. With over 2,000 charging cycles, it provides enduring performance and longevity. If you prioritize a powerful, eco-friendly, and long-lasting battery that's significantly lighter than traditional options, this is an excellent upgrade. What people say. This thing is light, too light seemingly for a battery. It's also small. It comes with 2 blocks you can snap in the bottom to help make up for the space left over from a normal-sized battery. My bike needed these spacers. Even before my old battery died, it never cranked over my V-twin like this new Li battery does. I was truly able to hear the difference right away. I checked the battery yesterday, full charge. And it turned my bike over right away. However, being a largish V-twin, it's a cold-blooded beast. I shot some ether into it, standard here in my, for its first start of the year, and it started right up, well, right up after the 5th crank. The battery had easily enough juice for a prolonged cranking session after sitting for 5 months, impressive. Number 2. Mighty Max Battery Ytz7s for Honda Metropolitan. Introducing the Mighty Max Battery Ytz7s, a powerful 12V6AH battery designed for your Honda 50/50 Swiss francs Metropolitan. It's built to deliver reliable starting power. This is a sealed lead-acid, SLA, battery with 130 cold cranking amps, ensuring it performs even in extreme temperatures. Its spill-proof design allows for mounting in any position. Measuring 4.50 by 2.81 by 4.21 inches, it fits perfectly. It's built to resist shocks and vibrations, offering a long service life. Experience high discharge rates and excellent deep discharge recovery. It's rechargeable and ready to provide long-lasting, high performance in both hot and cold weather. We stand by our product with a full 1-year warranty. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. What we like. Designed for specific Honda models, this battery ensures a perfect fit and reliable starting power. It offers a high discharge rate and long service life, performing well in various temperatures. If you own a compatible Honda scooter and need a hassle-free, high-performance replacement, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The battery is a perfect fit for my motorcycle. It holds a charge well and has provided reliable power for my bike. The battery arrived quickly and was ready to install right out of the box. Number 1. Weize Ytz7s BS Sealed Maintenance-Free AGM Battery. Introducing the Weize Ytz7s BS, a sealed maintenance-free AGM battery. It's designed to provide dependable power for your powersports vehicles. With dimensions of 4.49 L x 2.80 W x 4.17 H and 110 cca, it's engineered for a precise fit. Ensure your old battery matches these specs for optimal compatibility. This battery utilizes premium absorbed glass mat (AGM) technology. It's ideal for a wide range of vehicles including ATVs, motorcycles, and personal watercraft. It comes fully charged, sealed, and maintenance-free, making installation a breeze. You can install it right out of the box and enjoy hassle-free operation. Replacing your battery every 2 years is recommended to prevent starting issues. This reliable unit ensures your motorcycle starts when you need it most. We prioritize quality in our products and back it with excellent service. Our support team is ready to assist you with any questions you may have. What we like. This battery utilizes premium absorbed glass mat technology for reliable power delivery. It comes pre-charged, sealed, and maintenance-free, ready for immediate installation. If you're looking for a quality, compatible replacement for ATVs, motorcycles, or personal watercraft that offers consistent performance and ease of use, this is a solid option. What people say. This battery is a perfect fit for my motorcycle. It has a good charge and holds it well. The battery arrived quickly and was well packaged. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.